is up, guys? It's your boy Kevin. I'm gonna be back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing some toy unboxing. The reason why I'm not starting it off in my mom's room is because I'm in my room and I was watching a YouTube video. And before we get into this video, be sure to smash like this. Smash that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment. And yeah, and let's get into this video. Hold on. Is this toy. This is what I got for my birthday. It's this, and look, when you pull it back, it's sound effects. And let's open this up. Trying to get my toy out. Duh. Ooh, look at the guy. What up, YouTube? Oh, ouch. Alright, let's get his dang on motorcycle outfit. And butthole. Oh god. It's the motorcycle. This is the man. Put the man on. Put his feet on the pedal things. And mine. Alright, that's done. The next toy we're going to unbox is this. Ninja Turtles. A Leo thing, but I don't know what it's called. You just blow it up and you bop it. But it's a nice thing out the package. Oh, you know I'm good at blowing up. Oh. Guys, I'll be back in the guys. See, I got it boxed up. Look at the face. Big eye, little eye. I can't believe that. But let's bop it. Let's bop it. Bop, 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 bop. Alright, next thing. My ball that I got for my birthday. This is the big ball. Can bounce really high. Ouch. Hit me in my head. Now this. Alright, look, see? Bounce it. Go hard as it bounces. Let's bop this thing just for fun, okay? Just for fun, okay? Just for fun. And get even bounce because it's the gravity. Dang. Can't even catch it. Oh, caught it. Bop, 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 bop. I'm gonna make a video of me making this next thing. It's made of Legos. this away. Next, Lego Ninjago. My friend Caleb C got me this for my birthday. Upside down. Look at all the characters. Alright guys, I'm gonna make a video of me making this. When it comes out, it should like that. And here's the last one. Oh look, I have a guitar, a toy guitar. You put it on your neck like this, turn it on, and make some noise. Alright guys, I'm about to end the video here. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment, and I'll see you next video. Peace.